Alright, so this is an anchor chart for stem and leaf plots. I need the word plot here. Okay, stem and leaf plots. Okay, and this is something that I'm going to be really honest, I did not learn this when I was in school, so it's going to be one of those things that your parents are going to say, they didn't learn it this way in school, and you know, I'm going to explain it to you, and it's actually really, really simple once you learn it, even though it looks really weird. So I'm going to pause and get one written. Alright, so I'm going to give you time to copy down this nonsense, and then I'm going to talk to you. And yeah, it looks really bizarre, but once you see how to read them, I think you're going to agree with me that this is one of the just simplest things we've done. So this is somebody's stem and leaf plot of the number of tigers at major zoos around the country. Okay, and we have the word stem right here and the word leaf right here. Okay, the stem. Okay, stem is always on the left. Okay. Leaf is always on the right. Okay. Leaf is always on the right. Okay. And if they happen to give you a key down here, like this one does, then all the better. Okay. So when you look at this and you see 2 line 5 equals 25, you're thinking, well, that's silly. Why would you write 25 that way? And I tend to agree with you. But they did, and we're expected to interpret, so we shall do that. In this case, the stem is the tens digit. Okay? It can be the tens and the hundreds, okay? And I'll show you one of those in just a minute. And the leaf is the ones digit, okay? So what this is really saying, right here, 0, 7, okay, stem is tens digit, 0 tens, 7 ones. That's just number 7, okay? This right here, 1, 1, that's 11, okay? And then what about this 4 over here? Well, that's saying 1, 4, 14. 1, 8 is 18, okay? So this is really, so far, just saying, okay, 7, and then 11, 14, 18, okay? And yeah, I know that's kind of hard to see. Let's see, 11, 14, 18, okay? But they've just, instead of writing 11, 14, and 18, they put the tens place here, and then the 1, 11, 14, 18. So, yes, this is 25, okay? So, the thing that they said down here, okay, is right there, okay? So, this one is saying 25, 25, 25. Okay, because there are apparently 3 zoos with 25 tigers. Okay, this is 26, 27, 27, and 29. Okay, and again, I don't know why they write it this way. They did. Okay, so I could ask you some questions. I could say, well, how many zoos have 25 tigers? 3. What's the least amount of tigers that any zoo has? 7. What's the greatest amount of tigers that a zoo has? 29. How many zoos have less than 20 tigers? Well, less than 20 means it has to be not with a 2 in the tens place. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers over here. So 4 zoos have less than 20 tigers. How many zoos have more than 30 tigers? Well, there's no numbers here, so none, 0. Okay. How many zoos have exactly 27 tigers? 2. Okay. How many zoos have more than 25 tigers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. I mean, that's all there is to it. Now, I'm going to give you two other examples. I don't think you'll see them this way, but we're just going to put them down here because we can. Okay, so I could see where the stem and the leaf, where they could have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then, you know, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 4, or something like that. Okay. In this case, the stem has 2 digits, so that's going to be the tens place here and the hundreds place here. Okay. So this right here would be, so I write it over here, 110. Okay. And so there's 2 110s, and then there's 1 111. Okay. This right here would be 124. Okay. You could also have a stem and a leaf, where the key could tell you that 2 line 5 equals 2.5. Okay. In that case, the stem is actually the ones place. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the leaf is actually the tenths place. 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 9, 8. Okay. So in this case, you know, because my key tells me 2 line 5 is 2.5, this would be 1.3, or 1 3/10. Okay. And so there's 2 1 3/10 and 1 1 5/10 on this stem and leaf. Okay. These two are kind of, these are weird. Okay. I'll tell you, weirder than the other ones. Okay. These are weird examples. Okay. I think almost always you're going to have it like this, where the leaf is the ones place and the stem is the tens place. Okay, stem is the tens place, leaf is the ones place. But if you see one that's weird, I wanted you to think to yourself, oh yeah, I remember seeing some weird ones. And that is stem and leaf plots.